parents and students of biology. Really quickly, the submembrane model, most students have turned those in. Some students did not follow the rubric at all. I told them that I gave them a handout, and I said that was important. Use the handout given in class, or click here if you lost it. This will be graded as a test, so make sure to look at the rubric carefully. This must fit in the shoebox. So this is the rubric they should have looked at. A lot of students did not look at this rubric, and notice I checked and see if you answered all these questions. Some students simply did not turn in the sheet of paper with this, so I can correct their grade if they turn in the sheet of paper. And where can that sheet of paper be found? It can be found right here if you click on that. So, and they should be able to navigate that via Moodle. So that's the idea. So if they want to turn that in, they certainly can. And we will discuss that. If your son or daughter wants to discuss what they missed, why they missed, they have one day, come in next day or two to get that done. I'll throw all those, actually I have like 80 boxes stacked in my room. I need to get those out of my room. For other people to come into my room during the day, it can be kind of clutter. Adds a little bit of clutter to the room. So that's kind of what's going on with that. So if you didn't, and I had some students not do well at all, and so just kind of keep that in mind. If you didn't do well and you failed there, you did terrible on it, come in and talk to me in the morning. Maybe we can do something about that. So kind of check RenWeb. Those should be up there. What we may do this week, I'm gonna try to get into the lab ready this morning. So we may do a French fry lab, and we may do that on Monday and Tuesday. So we'll try to squeeze that in before. So I'm not really sure if we'll get to have a test over this material. We may have to have when we come back. But anyway, that's kind of like what we're looking like to do this week. So the big thing is to check this grade on RenWeb, and also check the detailed. If you don't like, why did it make such a bad grade? If you go into submembrane model here, and it's going to look just like this. You should scroll down, and it has a detailed rubric, and I mark things and yes, no, if you got it right or wrong, or if it's missing. And normally when it's missing or there's something there, I tend to put a note. I typed up a note for everybody too. So that's kind of what's happening this week, and happy Thanksgiving, guys.